Karura Forest is one of the best places you can visit if you love nature. We decided to walk around and see some of these beautiful natural sceneries that are available around 3 kilometers from CBD town Nairobi. You can enjoy this. Let me show you some of these places. Remember, this is Honest Digits or honest smartphone journalist and mobile journalism. We are doing this because of you. Let me show you some of these places and enjoy. You can visit also and see if you love nature.
Caves. Trees. Safe paths.
There are different kinds of trees here. Some of them are indigenous and kept entirely for you. And if you love nature, you love to see some of the best long-lived trees and how they are formed, and some of the long-lost plants that we can see right now are found at Karura Forest, where the Kenyan forests have tried to conserve and to preserve for our generations. And at the same time, the place looks so deep, and you can just relax and find that nice smell of the nature, the trees, the forest, and some of the shrubs that are found here. You can see some of the old stones, some of the best trees. Some of them have just fallen up, old enough, like more than 15 years to 20 years trees. These are the best for you if you're doing studies, if you're a student, any person doing research, you want to research on trees so that you can see. This is the best place. It's also safe. You can see it's also safe. You walk around. They are conservative, which they have put some barriers for you to hold on so that you cannot fall the other side. And the trees look so deep, and the water's flowing down. By the moment we reached there, it was just around noon and the sun was hot, but we couldn't feed it because the place was so natural, so nice to sit here, to be here, and to relax from the city's daily hustles, daily run up and down. And you can see the uphill. We are down deep in some of the lowest areas where you can see different trees. I really enjoyed. You can also try it out. You can also try this out. It's very nice. Very nice. I can just guarantee you this was good outing for your family. I'll take you closer to the waterfalls at Karura on this river. It's called we are in the woods, right? In the woods, right?